Ready to ditch the drab and dive into a world of hilarious filters and stunning lenses? Today, we're unleashing Snap Camera, your secret weapon for transforming any video call or recording into a visual party. First up, head over to Snap Camera and download the Snap Camera application for your computer. It's totally free. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to get Snap Camera set up on your system. Now, open Snap Camera, and boom, you're greeted with a live preview of your webcam feed, complete with a rotating selection of lenses. Feeling adventurous? Use the search bar to find specific lenses, browse categories like funny, games, or cute, or explore trending filters. Before you jump into a call, hit the settings icon, that little gear icon, to make sure Snap Camera is using the right webcam and microphone. Now, for the magic trick, open your video call application like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet, and go to its video settings, select Snap Camera as your camera source. And that's it. Your call participants will now see your glorious filtered self. Get ready for the laughs. Found a lens you absolutely love? Click the star icon to add it to your favorites for quick access later. Snap Camera isn't just for video calls. You can also use it to record videos with your favorite lenses using other screen recording software. Share those hilarious recordings on social media and watch the likes roll in. Snap Camera is your passport to virtual fun and engaging content, so go forth, experiment, and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.